Hey guys, this is Brent Boyer from Adam. So let's talk divorce. I wanted to talk today about personal property and how personal property is handled during a divorce case and the concept of, can I win the dog in my divorce? Am I going to be awarded custody of my dog in my divorce case? So I put this topic in along with personal property because the way Michigan law is, dogs are personal property, pets are personal property. They're more like a couch than a person, the way our laws are. So there's not going to be a situation where your wife gets the dog and you get visitation or something like that. You maybe hear stories about that in the news now and then. Anything happening like that is done by agreement. There's no judge that's doing that, and it wouldn't make any sense. I mean, really, one of you would get the dog, one of you doesn't, whatever the pet, a cat, whatever it might be. So personal property in your divorce case, which includes a dog, is to be divided up, meaning you each take your own part of the personal property. So personal property would mean anything not nailed down. So furniture, furnishings, the contents of the house or an apartment. That's what we're talking about when we're talking about personal property. So there's a few things to keep in mind with that discussion and what personal property looks like in a divorce. Number one, normally your typical household, you're not going to want to pay an attorney hundreds of dollars per hour to fight over furniture and furnishings, and those things have garage sale value anyways. You're not going to want to pay lawyers to fight over it. Now, sometimes you can't reach an agreement on things. That's understandable. There's ways to deal with that through mediation, arbitration, these other ways of reaching a settlement on whatever things are to be divided in your divorce case. So personal property, furniture, you want to try to figure it out. It doesn't have to be day one. There's certainly lots of time later to figure out who gets what as far as furniture. You'd want to work all that out between you and your wife so that when it comes time to complete the divorce case, you know who's getting what. It's not necessary to make an entire list. You both just know where you stand. You each take, she gets the couch, I get the table kind of an approach. That's what you'd want to do. We find that people that are fighting over furniture and fighting over this, they're really fighting over something else. It's that there's things going on. The one person is really trying to stand in the way of the divorce and not worried about chairs and tables and whatever. But of course you need to get your fair share of things, whether it's your tools or your hunting equipment or your golf clubs or whatever it is, your personal property. You need to get what's yours. I'm sure your wife's not going to want your golf clubs, but people want their fair share of things. And that's how you want to look at it as far as a divorce. And as far as who gets the dog, that really is up to you and your wife ultimately to work out. You best know what should go on with the pets, and if there's kids, of course, that might be a factor as well with the family pet. So hopefully that helps. In general, we're looking to give you some guidance and have you and your wife reach a resolution on it. 98% of divorces are worked out. You reach a settlement, so personal property would be no different. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, I'm at 248-356-2326, or you can send me an email, brentb@bmpclaw.net.